What?
In my car.
Your car?
Yep.
I put it in the shed. We'll take it out when it warms up a little, okay? You good?
Yeah.
Okay.
Daddy, I will go my car.
Yeah, you go in your car and it warms up.
I do warm up.
Yeah. Good morning.
Yeah.
Okay.
Is there a good tomorrow?
Sissy has school tomorrow.
No.
So when Sissy go back to school?
Wednesday.
Wednesday. Oh, you know. Okay. Hello guys. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Manix Robinson TV. Getting ready to
Put me on my bike.
put you on your bus.
Yeah.
Exactly. Come on, let's set you up. Let's set you up, bro.
Thank you. Work.
You want to take a walk before the bus comes?
Yeah.
Okay, we can do that. You want to do this one too? Okay. Boom. There you go.
Bye. No. Okay, well.
Take a walk. Taking for a little walk before the bus comes, because he loves to do that. You ready? You ready? All right, come on.
Daddy, Daddy, go eat this.
Yeah, so let's go. Wow, look at the sun. The sun is nice and bright, man. Sun bright. You ready for school?
Yeah.
Mm.
Two.
Yeah.
Ah.
You all right? I like you, Woody. Sit up, Papa. Lean up, man. You good? So how was your little break from school? Did you like it?
Yeah.
Yeah? Nice. So it's back to school for him today. Alex goes back on Wednesday. Yeah. So I have a doctor's appointment today, so I gotta take Alex with me, seeing that she's out of school. And then tomorrow again, I have another doctor's appointment and I got to take her with me. Yeah. Well, they enjoy being home with me, so they're okay with that. Yeah, Pops, you're good? Close the garage door. I'm gonna close it. Let the garage catch some nice breeze. Wow, I like the job that the landscaping company did, man. Look how the grass green, guys. Yeah, that Hellcat, guys. That's a Dodge Hellcat right there. Here comes your bus, Papa. Yeah, they did a great job. Here comes your bus. Here comes your bus.
That's not my bus.
Yeah, that's your bus. Yeah, that's your bus right there. Whee! That's your bus. Alright, come on, you're gonna turn back.
No.
Yeah, you don't want your bus? You don't wanna go to school?
Yeah.
What? You don't wanna go to school? Yeah?
No.
You sure?
Yeah.
What? Come on, bro, let's go. Let's go to school. 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 Look at how the dog pee on the grass. Look at that. That's the dog pee right there. They just pee on the grass, man. Unbelievable. You ready to go on your bus? Huh? You ready? You ready to go on your bus? You ready to go on your bus? You ready?
Yeah.
You ready? Tell the viewers and bye.
Bye.
Tell the viewers I see you guys later.
I see you there.
Alright. Hey, Mr. Milton, how you doing?
Good, you?
Good, 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 good.
Morning, Max.
Alright, you have a good one, alright?
Okay.
Alright.
Okay.
See you at 4 o'clock. Okay?
Okay.
Alright. He's off to school.